You can be successful at making money online with these tips. Great success has always gone to those who have worked the hardest. While that may mean putting in many hours of the day to make that money, the results can be stellar. This video will guide you through some ideas which can help you make money online without working too hard. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. Tutoring is a field that is currently growing. E-teaching is a great way to work online. Tutor Vista is a great site to use if you want to do this. If you succeed, you may be able to grow in this field. While working hard will bring you great rewards, working efficiently will leave you the work-life balance you dream of. The tips here will ensure that you make your work online more efficient. The more tips you implement, the greater the results you will see, so try them all out today. Student loan.